Ashlee Simpson and Pete Wentz are reportedly getting a divorce. According to TMZ, Simpson filed for divorce early today in Los Angeles, citing irreconcilable differences as the reason for the split. TMZ also reports that Simpson is asking for spousal and child support. Published reports say Lindsay Lohan will be charged with felony grand theft today. According to People magazine, the Los Angeles District Attorney's Office plans to press charges against the actress in connection with the alleged theft of a $2,500 necklace from a Venice, California jewelry store last month. Does Miley Cyrus have a new boyfriend? Published reports say Cyrus was spotted getting cozy with her So Undercover co-star, British actor Josh Bowman, in a Los Angeles park recently. In addition to acting, Bowman's also a former rugby player who dated singer Amy Winehouse in 2009. People quotes a source as saying Cyrus and Bowman are just friends. Jude Law and Sienna Miller have called it quits. Law's reps confirmed in a statement to Us Weekly that the couple have split up. This has been Celebs in 60 Seconds.